Did you know that you can play Let's Make a Deal with your doctor?
News 4's Melissa Holmes is live in the newsroom with more on this story. Good morning, Melissa.
Morning, Joe and Victoria. Yeah, it's really something that any consumer can do. Whether or not you have health insurance, haggling for health care can really pay off and in some cases save you thousands of dollars. Stephen Greibach is a father of two who says he has saved thousands of dollars by simply asking doctors for discounts. $200 off hearing aids for his daughter, hefty discounts at the dentist, and he says he even once saved $2,200 by opting out of anesthesia during a procedure. Now, according to a recent survey by consumer website Angie's List, 74% of consumers said that they got a discount when they asked for one. So CBS News called doctors' offices across the country to see what would happen when they tried to haggle. In New York City, the price of an MRI started at $1,800, but after haggling, calling around, and offering to pay cash, they got it down to just $600. They got a mammogram in Seattle for 60% off. In fact, out of the 16 places they called nationwide, only one refused to bargain with them. So some keys to good haggling for healthcare: shop around, offer to pay cash, and offer to pay up front. Now, some people may be worried that they might not get the best health care if they haggle. So never make your medical decisions based solely on price. Do your research and make sure that your doctor or medical facility offers high-quality care. There's also a website. It's called healthcarebluebook.com. It's a website devoted to telling consumers what some of the most common medical procedures should cost. So we're going to put a link to that on our website. You can go there, get an idea of what a medical procedure would cost, and then do your haggling from there. Really interesting stuff, though.
A decade ago, I think people would have laughed if you would have said this is where it's going to be.
Yeah, but I mean, look how much you can save. Might as well give it a shot, right?
Yeah, as long as the quality doesn't,
Exactly.
All right, thanks, Melissa. It is 73 degrees at 6:11. Coming up, some controversial clerical decisions are delivered by the Presbyterian Church.
Plus, a court conviction leads to racial unrest on the West Coast. Those stories and much more straight ahead on Wake Up.
The next Access Hollywood, Angelina's intimate revelations about true love with Brad and how motherhood cured her wild ways. Bethany Frankel's tell-all why she has no relationship with her mother, and All Access with Lady Gaga. Next, Access Hollywood.